Hey everyone, this is Will. Welcome to Black in the Core.
Fun.
Amazing.
A lot.
Adventurous.
Different.
Unique.
Diverse.
Everything.
Y alegría.
Global.
Influential.
Amazing.
Awesome.
Crowded.
15.
Perfect.
Diverse.
Together.
United.
Everything.
Living.
Buzzing.
Incredible.
Hustle.
Okay.
Vibrant.
Exciting.
Joyful.
Amazing. Good.
Crazy.
Dream maker.
Life-changing.
Diverse.
You will find everyone from everywhere, from every country in New York City. So this is the one place where everyone gets to be themselves. It doesn't matter where they're from, which country, which city, which state. It doesn't matter. What matters is, are you human or not? And
Are you human or not?
Are you human or not?
What has surprised me? It's just like immaculate vibes right now. Y'all are in the golden age right now. We got the World Cup. We got Mom Donistan. We got the Knicks, baby. Like, it's all good.
The buildings, how tall they are and stuff. That's definitely a surprise. I like that everybody's together all the time. It's a group of people everywhere I go because I am from Georgia and it's not like this. So it is something surprising to see.
The public transport and the way people get around has really surprised me. I'm from Australia, Perth specifically, so our public transport isn't as connected. I can get from one place in the city to another place in like, it's so easy. It's really easy. Like you don't need a car here. That for me is like been the biggest like, wow, like I wish my city had that. And also the fact that it's so big. It's massive. So many people here, different cultures, all sorts of people. People are hustling. People are just doing whatever, you know what I mean? I really feel like if I did live here, I would just pursue my dreams because it's like, it just gives you so much, I don't know how to explain it. This city just gives you energy to try something new, you know, and like really go for it.
I am this shocked. New York City, this super city, this super very nice, is big. This people is very nice.
We have diversity people from different countries. Also, the soccer or football is now the best sport in USA now. It's amazing people from different countries. You know, we share experiences. We share food, different countries. Everybody is very good.
A lot of people litter and the roads are not so clear. And there's always so much traffic.
I think you have fans from all over the world. You could be part of every single celebration, be part of every single win, and you get to kind of experience the culture from every single team, and they open you like with open arms, and New York is perfect for that.
Nueva York, la verdad es que ha sido una ciudad muy linda. Sinceramente, no me quejo. Porque pues por lo más caro que sea, pues también te pagan caro, así como cuando tú trabajas, ¿verdad? Entonces yo creo que pues está 50-50, entonces así como gastas, así también ganas. Entonces la cual no veo el problema con ciertas cosas.
It's been fun. I like walking around and seeing all the different things set up for the World Cup. It's really cool.
I'm very happy to be here.
Preciosos, lugares históricos, hay muchos lugares por recorrer. Ahora tenemos lo del Mundial que está sumamente fabuloso por venir y compartir con mucha gente, divertirnos y sobre todo ver toda la parte histórica de Nueva York. Ahorita acabamos de regresar de la librería nacional donde hemos reclamado el pasaporte del Mundial y bueno, ahora queremos seguir la pulsera y los souvenirs que están alrededor de toda esta gran celebración. Todos los países del mundo nos hermanamos alrededor de un balón. Y bienvenidos, que sigan viniendo la gente de Nueva York, que es un lugar muy bonito, muy acogedor para todos.
I had a lot of expectations, I think. Personally, I feel like Paris is much better than New York, but people are much nicer here. We're not grateful enough, I think, the Parisians.
I love New York for sure, but the first time that I come
We
here...
love New York and we love you and we love her and we love everybody else and viva Spain.
Exacto.
Thank you.
Viva España.
España, viva España, viva España. We're gonna go to the final.
Oh, sure. And for me, the worst part is maybe the people is on the street. But in general, I love New York City.
I feel the people so friendly. Me every morning, every day, 2 or 3 persons give me good morning, have a nice day. So me before to live here, a lot of people say in New York, a lot of people is too much independent. They don't speak with others, and it's totally false. So I feel like in Spain. Yes, I feel like I'm at home because the people really, in my experience, the people so friendly, and me I have too many friends from other countries. So for me, it's the most amazing thing that New York offers to me.
Alors New York c'est incroyable, vraiment ça fait maintenant 3-4 jours que je suis ici, j'aime beaucoup. Après je suis un peu dégoûtée, le Maroc et la Belgique ils sont pas partis très loin en Coupe du Monde, donc voilà, mais sinon j'aime beaucoup l'ambiance ici. Voilà.
How nice the people are. I won't lie. At first, I came in thinking they were going to be rude. Everyone's busy. But yeah, no. The hotel I'm staying at, everyone's nice. I come out here, people are nice. So it might just be because of the World Cup, but yeah, no, it's good.
New York City is cool. They have a lot of good stuff, but sometimes you wouldn't really like the space here.
Why?
Well, because everyone's smoking and doing a lot of stuff that you wouldn't be around.
Honestly, the friendliness. You go up to people, everyone's nice. Someone has a ball, you can play with them. You could talk to them, converse with them. I'd say overall the friendliness.
Every team that was in the Cup has a community here, and so it's been so awesome to see different communities get together and cheer and bond over, their teams, even if they're like competing.
Yeah.
And I actually was telling a friend recently that I think it's so beautiful that New York is a place where so many people are represented, and an event like this can bring so many people together.
I'm surprised of what I saw around here, how they've decorated the place for the World Cup, and I'm impressed.
What surprised me most is, as a Canadian, sometimes I'm expecting some people to be a little bit standoffish, because in Canada we're very friendly, but one thing I noticed was how there's a lot of people here who actually carry the love of God. Absolutely. Like they actually believe in Jesus, they believe in God. Some of them were praying for me. I literally had a girl this morning, I literally was feeling sick. She literally said she believed in Jesus. She literally prayed for me and I got healed.
Yeah, I really like how diverse New York is, and I can be whatever that I want in New York.
What has surprised you about New York City?
Everything. It's full of people and it never rests.
One thing that surprised me about New York City is the people, especially when there's something to see. Especially like the World Cup, a lot of types of people are coming in from around the world, like Spaniards, French people, Japanese, Brazilians, Argentinians, and so on. And it surprised me how well that we can blend in together and celebrate this event.
Yes, sí, he sentido algo bien especial, especialmente hoy que es mi cumpleaños. Me he sentido muy emocionada y por el juego, que están bien reñidos los juegos. Y aquí que está bien divertido.
Muy contento de la victoria de hoy. Esperamos ganar a Francia en las semifinales y vamos a por ellos. ¡Viva España!
Everyone knows it's the Big Apple. Like, this is like the place, it's like the city that never sleeps, Like, people come here, you can see it's so crowded, it's buzzing, so much good food, so many good cultures, a mix of everything, and you get the best of everything over here, honestly.
New York is a big city, and now that we have the World Cup here, we are welcoming so many people from different countries, so I'm happy to see the diversity.
The energy's been amazing. It started raining earlier and everybody stayed. Everybody was having an amazing time. I love that everyone is here supporting just having everyone from around the world. Like New York is the spot, but right now seeing everybody coming in and uniting, being together for one goal is just awesome.
I would say convenience, right? What is it that is not in New York? You get everything in here.
New York City is like a mecca for everything international. There's a combination of countries that live here. So people visiting from around the world will be right at home.
What makes New York City the best city to host the World Cup is that they're very I don't know how to explain it. When it comes to bringing a community together, they make it happen, and they bring all their friends together, make it a good game, and they bring little games that we could do to have fun without any problems happening. We all enjoy together.
The different background, different ethnicities, culture, we're all coming together. I mean, look around us. I'm seeing Hispanics, Asians, Black, Caribbean. Listen, we're here. I love it. That's the best city, and again, it's a melting pot city, so it was the best place for FIFA to do the World Cup.
Yeah, first time actually here today at the Rockville Center for the World Cup and stuff. I've been doing a lot of watch parties for the past month and a half, so it's been a great and amazing time, being there, watching the people celebrate together.
I feel like Mexico was the best host, but however, New York is New York, so we are the best.
It's so cool that the World Cup is in one of the most diverse countries in the whole entire world, and so many games are being hosted in one of the most diverse cities in the most diverse country in the whole world. I feel like every single country has representation right here.
The World Cup is the perfect place for it to be in New York City because of how diverse it is here. New York was built on the backs of immigrants. I'm also from an immigrant household. My mom is Liberian, West African. So it takes hard work to survive in New York. And when everyone comes together, it's always a beautiful sight to see and a lot of diaspora that goes on here.
Everything is here. Everything, good restaurants, good food, good people. We welcome everyone, and it's a place to be.
Me encanta Nueva York. ¡Viva Nueva York! ¡Sí! Nueva York, Nueva York. Si te quieres divertir, un verano en Nueva York.
Please subscribe to my channel for future videos on New York City and hit the notification bell to receive more updates.